Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Friends, today this video is going to be very interesting because till now we have used text-based chatbot in various websites. But today I will introduce to all of you an artificial intelligence and machine learning based voice assistant. Similarly, I discussed with you in the last video about an IVR telephony system. Friends, today in this video I am going to discuss with you how to make a voice-based 3D human digital assistant for your business. So I would like to request you all to watch this video till the end and let me know if your organization needs such a 3D human voice-based digital assistant. If you have any shopping mall, if you are a retail shop owner or banking service provider and maybe other domains, this can be very helpful for your business. You can use it instead of your receptionist. But before start this video, I request everyone, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon and turn on all notifications to get such useful videos. Friends, I'm Nayan, your friends, and you are watching your favorite channel, IntraCoder. So let's start the video. Friends, here I have built a voice-based 3D human virtual assistant system for my own business purpose that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning. Finally, I am able to sharing it with you. If you want to know more details about this artificial intelligence and machine learning, then you must be support my channel. I will try to make a separate playlist in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So now I am opening my blog site where I post share market related blogs. If you notice here, there is two chatbots in the lower left and right corner, which can be found on almost every website. We all know that. If you click on the chatbot on the left corner, you will see a welcome message. If you want to connect directly my support team through WhatsApp, then it will help you. And if you click on the chatbot on the right corner, you will see a live chat support system, which will provide you live chat support. If you are having trouble finding any information from my website or need any service related information immediately, that time an agent come from my support team and they will assist you via live chat support. But today I am going to discuss with you a new chatbot system which is completely different, which is built with artificial intelligence and machine learning concept. It's not a human, but it will help you by having a live conversation with you like a human. So this video is going to be very interesting. Please stay with me till the end. Look here, you will see a new menu as live chatbot. If I click here, a new page will open, and finally where we can see the artificial intelligence based chatbot. Now after clicking the start button, wait a little bit for opening this chatbot. Then after it opens, we'll hear a welcome message.
Good day. What can I do for you today?
Now you can start a conversation with it directly by typing a message or by voice, which is your convenience. So let's ask our questions one by one, see how it solves our queries. First, I'm going to ask her, hi.
Greetings. How can I assist?
Wow, nice. Now, let me ask, who are you?
Hi, I am a chatbot.
And again, I will ask, who is your boss?
Mr. Nayan Samanta.
Wow, it's me. And now let me ask, how are you?
Quite well.
Wow, friends, video may be lengthy, so please watch the video carefully because when I'm sharing something unique concept with you, then you won't support me. Support na? Why are you wasting your time? Do subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share with your friend circle. Okay, now let me ask, how old are you?
I am a digital assistant, so haven't any limit.
Now I'm going to ask her, are you busy somewhere? Like this command. So I'm going to ask, are you busy?
No, I'm always at your service.
Okay. Let me ask. She can help me or not. So in this case, I'm going to ask, can you help me?
Yes, I'm always at your service.
Now, if you ask here, what service basically I provide? Now let's ask, may I know what services you provide?
We also provide all types of support calls for trading in the equity and derivatives market.
Okay, Here, I made this bot for my share market related business. So if you want to know how much will it cost if we take this service, please give me your service plan details.
You can also check by clicking on this link https://intradaystocks.online/service-plans-and-pricing/.
Okay, this is redirecting us to the particular service plan web page where we will get the details information. Okay, got it. We'll check out later. Don't worry. Now let's know what courses we are providing here. So if you ask, provide your course details, then you will get the information. So in this case, I'm giving this command, provide your course details.
We offer 3 courses, e.g. 1, Share Market Course for Beginners 2, Fundamental Analysis of Stock Market 3, Technical Chart Analysis of Stock Market.
Okay, I see. Now I want to ask, how much cost for courses?
The cost of our courses is very low compared to others, such as 1. Beginner course 500 rupees, Fundamental course 1000 rupees 3. Technical chart analysis course 1500 rupees.
Here we know all the service details and as well as course details. So now we will ask whether admission can be done online here, right? So now let me ask, can I admission here through online?
Yes, you can admission here very easily. You will also have the opportunity to take courses online and offline at a very low cost.
Okay, fine. So finally, I want to know what's the procedure for admission. Tell me admission procedure.
Tell me your name please.
Okay, I should provide my name. Okay, don't worry. My name is Mr. Nayan Samanto.
Tell me your address please.
My address is Kolkata.
Provide your contact number please.
Okay, now I have to provide my contact number. But I will provide here a random number. Don't worry, don't take this number. It's only for video purpose. 9632587410.
Provide your email please.
Okay, again I have to provide here my email address. Similarly, I provide here a random email, right? abc@gmail.com.
Select your course please.
Okay, now we have to choose a course which we want to enroll here. In this case, I want to admission here share market course for beginners.
Thank you. Your admission request has been completed. We will contact you very soon.
Wow, that's great. We saw how our request was submitted and also notified. It's really awesome, guys. If I say thank you, then she will also reply. Thank you.
You most welcome.
Okay, my next command is nice to meet you.
Same to you.
Again, I'm saying you are good.
Thank you.
So now I'm asking some kind of funny command. Whether I need to check she can be able to reply me or not. Because this is a artificial intelligence and machine learning base. So I want to know she can be able to reply my command or not. You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, she finally replied. My next command. Will you marry me?
You are naughty.
Oh no, I'm getting very angry. You are so bad.
I don't care about it and fully as your views.
Okay, so finally I'm saying bye.
Bye.
Friends, see how I made a 3D human based voice assistant. And if you need such a digital voice assistant in your business, then please let me know. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then hit the like button and give your valuable feedback into comment box. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for getting more useful video. Thank you. Bye bye.